So as you just saw with this lawnmower, clearly there's a broken wire in the handle. It's a very common problem with these lawnmowers. You saw that I wiggled it and it changed the speed. So right now we're going to change the handle on this thing. You can change the wire in the harness wire itself, you can change that, but here we just change out the whole handle. This machine is under warranty, so we're going to just put a new handle on it for them. Let me get started on that and we'll go from there. Four screws. Removes the plate on this side, 4 screws. So on this side, all we have to do is take off this handle here, this cap, and this spring, and this clip. And there's 2 little screws, one here and one in this hole right here. Loosen those and they'll all come off. I'll show you that. So the next step is to remove on this side is to remove these 4 bolts, and we got 2 here and we got 2 under here. We're going to take that off and the handle will come right off. Get started on that. Okay, then now that we got all those screws out, we had 6 of them here, we had 2 here, and then 2 under here. Now we're going to unplug all these cables one at a time. We're going to get all these unplugged. I'm going to cut this right here, this red cable. I'm going to leave most of it. I'm going to strip this back a little bit and I'm going to cut that red cable. This red cable that goes to the switch, I'm going to cut it back here a little bit, give us some slack to replace the new one. Okay, we got all the screws out. And now all we do is lift this handle straight off. Off, get this plate out of the way. The handle's right off. And we rebuild with the new one. Alright, so we're back together with the handle. Now I'm left with the new wires. And by the way, sometimes those wires will break here from the handle going up and down all the time. One of the wires could break in here too. You could almost sometimes wiggle this to see if it starts as well, or changes speeds. Sometimes it'll even start the motor if the motor's bad. But let me get started. Plugging these wires back in and wiring up the red and the white. And let me get started. All right, time to give it a try. See how we did. I don't need the handles extended because I'm not running the blades, so we're just going to try the drive. Slow, medium, high. All working good. All right, thanks for watching, guys.